Good morning, children. Today, we will look at your textbook, page 52 and 53. 同学们早上好，今天我们要看你们的课本第52页以及53页。Now, we are going to do a health quiz today. Do the quiz with me and find out how healthy you really are. 那这里呢，我们有6题，我们一起来做一做这6题，看一看我们到底有多么的健康。When I go through each and every question, please make sure you are with me. 那每一题，请跟着老师，你要自己的回答。Number 1. How many meals do you eat every day? 你每天吃多少餐？ Meals 就是餐。1 meal, 3 meals, or 2 meals. For me, I have 3 meals a day. How many meals do you eat every day? I would say 1 meal is not really enough. Same as 2 meals. I know that some of you skip your meals, but it's not healthy. It's the best if you could take 3 meals a day. Alright? Number 2. Do you eat vegetables with your lunch? 你的午餐 lunch 你有吃蔬菜吗？ Sometimes, never, or always. I always eat vegetables with my lunch. Always is the best. Sometimes is acceptable. But if you never eat vegetables with your lunch, please eat more vegetables. You want to have a good toilet time, alright? 那如果你想要上厕所通畅的话，你就要多吃蔬菜了。Number 3. How much water do you drink every day? 你每天喝多少的水呢？ Over 5 glasses, 2 to 3 glasses, or 1 to 2 glasses. For me, I take over 5 glasses. Alright, now for human being, our body needs at least 8 glasses of water a day. It's the best if you can take 8 glasses of water. But you don't take too much. You don't take 20 glasses of water. Alright? You don't take too little as well. You don't take only 1 glass of water. That's not enough. Alright, let's look at number 4. How many bars of chocolate do you eat every week? 你每个星期吃多少的巧克力？ Over 7 bars, 2 to 3 bars, or 0 to 2 bars? I would definitely go for C. I seldom eat chocolate. If you have over 7 bars of chocolate a week, please make sure of your diet. Beware of your diet, because you might become very fat, or the sugar level in your blood might be very high. Alright, that's not healthy. Number 5. Do you exercise? Yes, every day, sometimes, or never. For me, I would say sometimes. Sometimes I don't have the time for exercise, but sometimes, yes, I do. If you choose yes every day, wow, that's very good. You have a healthy lifestyle. Number 6. How many hours do you sleep? 5 to 6 hours, 6 to 7 hours, or 8 to 10 hours? For me, I would say 6 to 7 hours. It's the best if you can get at least 8 hours of sleep a day. That will be the best. And look at the value part. Be aware of healthy habits. aware 是小心，要谨慎。Of healthy habits, habits 就是习惯 what you do every day. Be aware of healthy habits 就是说你要知道有哪一些习惯是健康的习惯。And what do you need to do after knowing all the healthy habits? You need to practice them. 那你知道了这些好的健康习惯，那当然你要活出来，要培养，不是知道就算哦。Alright, if you look at all the 6 questions, sometimes we use how many and sometimes we use how much. Why? When do you use how many and when do you use how much? Alright, look at here. Can you read with me? How many meals do you eat every day? How much water do you drink every day? Alright, meals, the food you eat, breakfast, lunch, dinner. Can you count your meals? 你的早餐、午餐、晚餐，每一餐你可以数吗？ Yes, you can. So, when you can count a countable noun, we use how many. 当你可以数的时候，我们用 many. But look at water. Can you count water? 你可以数水有多少吗？ You can't. It's an uncountable noun. 水是不能数的。So, when it is an uncountable noun, you use how much. 不能数的时候呢，你就用 much. Remember, many is for countable and much is for uncountable. Alright, now go back to your Google form, listen, and choose the correct answer. That's all for today. Thank you and bye.